On Sunday, February 16, 2025, the Mahakam Bridge in Samarinda, Indonesia, experienced another incident. This time involving a barge carrying acacia wood. This incident, captured on video and widely circulated on social media, marks a recurrence of a concerning pattern. The barge carrying a cargo of acacia wood is believed to have lost control due to a combination of strong currents and an excessive load. The impact with a bridge pier resulted in visible swaying of the structure, as evidenced by the viral video footage. This collision is not an isolated event. The Mahakam Bridge has experienced similar incidents in the past. The barge's substantial cargo contributed to its becoming lodged beneath the bridge, while the powerful current of the Mahakam River further exacerbated the situation, pushing the vessel against the supporting infrastructure. Despite the deployment of several vessels to mitigate further damage and facilitate the barge's removal, the strong current and heavy load presented significant challenges. Rescue efforts were primarily focused on preventing additional impact with the bridge piers, rather than immediate removal. The barge remained secured until high tide, enabling subsequent towing operations. The recurring nature of these incidents raises serious questions regarding the long-term structural integrity and safety of the Mahakam Bridge. A thorough investigation into the causes of these collisions and a comprehensive assessment of the bridge's structural resilience are urgently needed to prevent future occurrences and ensure public safety.